BricsCAD is often positioned as a cheaper, powerful alternative to AutoCAD, but the real question is whether it actually competes or still falls short. Now, the idea behind BricsCAD isn't hype. It's a DWG native CAD platform, meaning it works directly with the same file format as AutoCAD, so compatibility is real. However, here's the key point. It gets very close. But AutoCAD still leads in some critical areas. What BricsCAD does well: lower cost. BricsCAD is significantly cheaper with optional perpetual licenses, something AutoCAD no longer offers. Strong compatibility. It handles DWG files very well, making switching relatively smooth for many users. Good performance, often faster and lighter, especially on lower-end machines. All-in-one features. Includes 2D drafting, 3D modeling, and even BIM tools in one ecosystem. Where it falls short: industry standard advantage. AutoCAD is still the default in most companies, which matters for collaboration and hiring. Ecosystem and plugins. AutoCAD has a much larger library of third-party tools and integrations. Learning curve. If you're coming from AutoCAD, while similar, it's not identical. Some workflows feel different. Advanced features and polish. AutoCAD is generally more refined, especially for complex or large-scale projects. So, is AutoCAD still better? Short answer: yes, but not by as much as before. AutoCAD is better for industry standard workflows, collaboration, and ecosystem. BricsCAD is better for cost efficiency and independent work. Bottom line: BricsCAD is one of the closest alternatives to AutoCAD right now. It's not a knockoff. It's a serious competitor. If you're working solo or want to save money, it's a strong choice. If you're in a company or need maximum compatibility and support, AutoCAD is still the safer option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.